Alright guys, back at you digging for worms. Mr. Palomino 1. We're at a permission established in 1885. And here's our finds. I got a Stand Liberty quarter. 1920. You can just barely see the 2.0. I got a, looks like a fired musket ball. I got a 45 Mercury dime and a 47 Rosie. A bunch of clad and some type of arrow in that car. Pretty old car. Mr. Palomino 1. Yeah, look, he did it again, everybody. He got an SLQ also, 1917. 1939 Washington. Looks like a 36 Washington. 1944 Washington. Couple Mercs. Couple Rosies, and he got a wheat, and he got this ring too, silver ring. Nice finds, Wayne.
Thank you.
And he got some cars also. So we had a nice little hunt. 13 silvers. It's crazy.
You put the ball off.
Yeah, I'm back into detecting. I got a Explorer SE. That thing, at first I didn't like it, but now I love it. It's a screamer. Came with 3 coils. So there you have it. Mr. Palomino, I don't know how you do it, man. At first you were smacking them. Then I went down this one area and I just was smacking them too, as you can see. And then of course Mr. Palomino snuck down over there. I left him a couple bones. I'll win.
No.
Nice. SLQ looks nice. At least your date's a little bit better than mine.
Yeah.
Alright, looks good, man. Good job. I think we'll have to come back again and do it. Hit it again. Pretty old plantation here. Nice. All right. Oh, I'm signing off. See you for the next one.